Halo cuy, bertemu dengan saya lagi di channel Ferry024. Apa kabar kalian? Semoga dalam keadaan baik-baik saja. Setelah 2 bulan tidak upload video, akhirnya saya mempunyai kesempatan untuk membuat video baru lagi. Ya walaupun belum bisa rutin upload dikarenakan masih ada kesibukan. Saya bakal rutin upload mungkin setelah bulan Juli 2025. Dan buat kalian yang tanya kapan restock paketan PC di Tokped Min, saat ini saya sudah restock beberapa paketan PC di Tokped saya yang bernama FK Second Part. Kalian bisa cek langsung melalui link yang ada di deskripsi. Jika kalian mau dibuatkan video review dan pengetesan game setiap produknya, bisa komen, jangan omong-omong doang lumin di kolom komentar. Jika banyak yang komen, nanti saya akan buatkan videonya. Oke, lanjut ke inti video ini. Di video ini saya akan merakit PC Kere Hore dengan budget 1 jutaan dan tentunya upgradable menggunakan platform AMD AM4. Oke, tanpa menunggu lama-lama lagi, langsung ke komponen apa saja yang akan digunakan. Komponen yang pertama yaitu motherboard. Untuk motherboard saya menggunakan Asus A320MK. Mobo ini memiliki soket prosesor AM4 yang support AMD Ryzen 1000 series hingga 5000 series dengan catatan ada penyesuaian versi BIOS dulu. Mobo ini memiliki 2 slot RAM DDR4 yang support hingga 32 GB. Selain itu, Mobo ini juga memiliki 1 slot M.2. Saya membeli Mobo ini dengan harga Rp550.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu prosesor. Untuk prosesor saya menggunakan AMD A8 9600. Prosesor ini memiliki 4 core dan 4 thread dengan base frekuensi 3,1 GHz dengan maksimal boost 3,4 GHz. Prosesor ini juga memiliki IGP di dalamnya yaitu Radeon R7. Untuk TDP-nya, prosesor ini memiliki TDP sebesar 65 Watt. Saya membeli prosesor ini dengan harga Rp125.000. Daripada beli prosesor ini, mungkin jika kalian ada budget lebih, mending tambah 100 ribuan dapat Athlon 3000G dengan performa yang tentunya lebih baik. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu CPU cooler. Untuk HSF saya menggunakan HSF standar AMD. Saya membeli HSF ini dengan harga Rp25.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu RAM. Untuk RAM saya menggunakan RAM dari merek Patriot Viper 2x4GB DDR4 yang mempunyai kecepatan 2400 MHz. Saya membeli RAM ini dengan harga Rp150.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu storage. Untuk storage saya menggunakan SSD M.2 SATA copotan dari laptop bekas upgrade dari merek Samsung dengan kapasitas 128 GB. Saya membeli SSD ini dengan harga Rp120.000. Kenapa nggak NVMe sekalian bang? Tentu saja memanfaatkan stok yang ada dulu. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu power supply. Untuk PSU saya menggunakan PSU kaleng dari merek Advance. Sekali lagi saya nggak pernah menyarankan untuk menggunakan PSU kaleng jika kalian nggak mau mengalami hal seperti ini. Saya membeli PSU kaleng ini dengan harga Rp35.000. Komponen selanjutnya yaitu casing. Untuk casing saya menggunakan casing build up dari merek Acer. Saya membeli casing ini dengan harga Rp50.000. Dan berikut adalah seluruh komponen yang digunakan. Untuk link referensi pembeliannya ada di deskripsi video ini.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast. I could roast, I could gas, think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't
don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take sh**. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it.
Dan berikut adalah tampilan dari PC-nya. Untuk konsumsi dayanya, dalam kondisi idle, PC ini mengkonsumsi daya sekitar 48an watt. Dan dalam kondisi full load mengkonsumsi daya sekitar 100an watt. Gimana menurut kalian dengan rakitan PC kali ini? Apakah dengan harga 1 juta worth it? Silahkan tuliskan pendapat kalian di kolom komentar. Untuk kelebihan PC ini cuma di bagian upgrade saja, udah itu doang. Untuk performanya ya apa adanya, mengingat harganya cuma 1 juta dan udah pakai soket AM4. Paling cuma enak buat main GTA SAMP saja. Mungkin di next video saya akan mencoba merakit Intel generasi 8 dengan harga yang tidak terlalu berbeda dengan ini. Untuk opsi upgrade pada rakitan PC ini, yang pertama tentu saja power supply. Pakailah PSU yang lebih bagus dan sudah bersertifikasi 80+. Yang kedua, bisa upgrade prosesornya. Jika kalian mau hemat daya tapi performanya oke, bisa ambil Ryzen 5 5600G. Dan jangan lupa sesuaikan versi BIOSnya juga. Yang ketiga yaitu RAM. Untuk RAM bisa upgrade ke minimal 16GB DDR4. Yang keempat yaitu storage. Bisa tambahkan SSD atau hard disk yang mempunyai kapasitas yang lebih besar. Yang kelima yaitu VGA card. Jika kalian ingin mendapatkan FPS yang lebih tinggi, bisa pasang VGA card. Tinggal sesuaikan saja sama budget dan kebutuhan kalian. Mungkin cukup sekian dari saya. Mohon maaf jika ada salah kata ataupun penyampaian pada video ini. Selamat menikmati video pengetesannya. Thanks for watching and see you next video di konten Rakit PC Kere Hore selanjutnya.
Stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young one, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I'm on your
First blood.
hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade
Double kill.
away. As you fade away.
Rampage.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you
feet and makes them very tough to stifle. His movement can easily drag defenders out of position and create space for others. He's a fine player.
Hard to disagree with that. It is the sort of situation.
But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being a monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby